Hi, I'm Chef Pipo of Unilever Food Solutions. Today, I'll be cooking a simple and straightforward chicken caldereta using our Knorr chicken broth base. Chicken caldereta, chicken thigh fillet, vegetable oil, white onion, garlic, water, tomato sauce, Knorr chicken broth, tomato paste, carrots, potatoes, mixed bell pepper. In a pot, heat some oil, then saute your onions and garlic. In high heat, add now your chicken and saute for 3 to 5 minutes. When color of the meat turns to brown, add the water, chicken broth, tomato sauce, and your tomato paste. Bring to a boil. Remove any impurities that surfaces. Ready to serve. Okay, again, this is my chicken caldereta using Knorr chicken broth base. Try mo lang and taste the meat